Hello and welcome back to How To's with Kelsey.
In today's video, you'll learn how quick and easy it is to create custom rules for Imperva Cloud WAF. Let's dive right in. Click on Application at the top of the screen. You'll be brought to a list of all onboarded websites. Click the website that you'd like to create a custom rule for. For this demo, I'll be creating a custom rule for dev.impervademo.com. This is the website management page where you can edit things like settings or policies for the website you have selected. You can see which website you're managing settings for in the upper left-hand corner. To create a custom rule, hover over the security icon, which looks like a wall with a fire in front of it. From there, click Rules. Here are all the rules the website has. The rule table is broken out by category. Each category is also listed on the top of the screen with an option to click on it. For example, I may want to see all forwarding rules associated with this site. Each row has a priority if one has been assigned, the name, a brief description, how many times this rule has hit in the last 7 days, the status, and an option to edit the rule. Clicking the three dots under More gives you the option to quickly disable or delete a rule. To add a new custom rule, click the Add Rule button on the right-hand side of the screen. For this example, I'm going to be a SOC analyst who's notified of a new APT that was based in China. I want to create a rule that alerts on any traffic coming from China so that it can be further investigated. Under Rule Filter, click the drop-down under If. The example in this demo is simple, but Imperva gives you the option to create a rule for nearly any scenario that you might need. For this example, I'm going to select country code. The equal sign is what I want for this rule since I want the country code to equal China. However, I also have the option to select does not equal. Under the value drop-down, I can scroll through the list to find China, or I can simply type it in the search bar. From here, I'll click Add. If I need to add more criteria to this rule, I can do so in the rule editor. For more information on the rule syntax that we require, click on Syntax. I can also validate to ensure that my syntax is correct by clicking Validate. I can see that my syntax is valid, so I can continue. Next, we need to determine what action will be taken once the rule is triggered. Select the drop-down under Action. There are a variety of options, but for this example, I want to create an alert. So I'll hover over Security and select Alert. Next, I'll name my rule. I also have the option to send an email notification whenever this rule is triggered, but I'm going to leave that unchecked for now. Giving one last look over this, I can ensure that my rule is correct. If the country code equals China, my syntax is valid, I'll alert on this rule. Then I'll click Save. After I save my rule, I'll be directed back to the Rules page, where I can see my new rule. And there you have it! Creating a custom rule with Imperva Cloud WAF is easy, fast, and very flexible. In future videos, we'll cover other important topics like WAF dashboards. Thank you!